Introducing the 2024 Nissan Almera 1.0T vs CVT, a compact sedan that combines stylish design, fuel efficiency, and advanced features at an attractive price point of 659,000 Thai Baht. The Almera is a testament to Nissan's commitment to delivering a reliable and affordable vehicle that meets the needs of modern drivers. Under the hood, the Almera 1.0 TV boasts a responsive and fuel-efficient 1.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT. This combination not only provides a smooth and efficient driving experience but also ensures optimal fuel economy, making the Almera a practical choice for both city commuting and longer journeys. The exterior design of the 2024 Almera is characterized by sleek lines and a contemporary aesthetic. From the distinctive V-motion grille to the sculpted body, every detail is crafted to create a visually appealing and aerodynamic silhouette. The Almera stands out in its segment with a modern and dynamic presence on the road. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a well-designed and spacious interior that prioritizes both comfort and convenience. The Almera's cabin is equipped with modern amenities and user-friendly controls, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience for both the driver and passengers. Thoughtful features contribute to a comfortable and connected journey. Technology is a focal point in the Almera 1.0 TV, featuring an advanced infotainment system with touchscreen controls, smartphone integration, and other smart functionalities. The integration of technology enhances the overall driving experience, providing entertainment and connectivity options at your fingertips. Safety is a top priority for Nissan, and the Almera is equipped with a comprehensive set of safety features. From advanced braking systems to airbag protection, Nissan ensures that the Almera provides a secure driving environment for both the driver and passengers, enhancing confidence on the road. Priced competitively at 659,000 Thai Baht, the 2024 Nissan Almera 1.0T vs CVT offers an excellent combination of affordability and features. It caters to drivers who seek a reliable and efficient sedan without compromising on style or technology. In conclusion, the 2024 Nissan Almera 1.0T vs CVT is more than just a compact sedan. It's a reflection of Nissan's commitment to providing value-driven and stylish vehicles. With its turbocharged engine, modern design, and advanced features, the Almera invites drivers to experience a new level of comfort and efficiency on the road.